right, the Brooklyn Brothers are back, and today we're bringing you spaghetti al Assassina, which means assassin spaghetti. Took me a couple of takes to say that right. But anyway, it's easy, it's spicy, it's smoky. You're absolutely gonna love it.
Check it out.
Let's get cooking. All right, the first step, you gotta make your tomato broth. All it is 2 quarts of water, 12 ounces of tomato paste, a little salt, and about 8 basil leaves. You let that boil for about 10 minutes, or let it simmer for about 10 minutes, and then it's ready to go. And
where's the grilled cheese sandwich? Tomato soup.
All right, now, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and add about a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Add the chopped garlic. Now put some crushed red pepper in there. It's a spicy dish, so you can adjust it to whatever heat level that you like. Once that garlic becomes to a light golden brown, we're gonna go ahead and add our strained tomatoes. We're gonna add about a teaspoon of salt and some fresh basil, about 5 or 6 leaves. Let that cook up for a minute. This is such an easy dish, and it's just 1 pot. Well, actually 2 pots, but
And good.
oh man. Okay, now once this sauce comes to a boil, we're gonna do the illegal part. We're gonna add the spaghetti right into the pan here. Now we're gonna let the spaghetti cook right in the sauce. And we want to char the spaghetti. That's one of the characteristics of the assassin spaghetti.
Yeah.
It's been about 5 or 6 minutes, and I can smell it charring. We're gonna go ahead and just flip this over. I mean, you don't want to burn the spaghetti. You just want to have a little brown char on there. You see that right there? Not all the spaghetti, you just want to have it all cooked together.
It smells really good.
Now we put the broth in there. Just a couple of scoops at a time. This is kind of like cooking risotto. You know, you add water, and as it boils down, you add more water until it's cooked. Same concept as the risotto. Look at that beautiful char right there. See that? It's just enough to give it a little smoky flavor.
This dish originated from Bari, Italy, and it is notoriously spicy. But like I said earlier, you can adjust it to any heat level you like.
Okay, it's cooking down good.
And you know, the pasta, you know, absorbing the sauce, that's with all the flavor too.
Oh yeah, for sure. Looking good, it's coming together.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Look at that pasta.
Oh yeah, man.
Look at that char. Isn't that
Very
beautiful? All right,
Yum yum.
man.
That's my plate.
This
Give me
is
that.
eating right here. All right, let's eat.
Yes, indeedy.
Test this out. Very hot.
and very good.
Man, spicy, smoky, delicious. That spaghetti of tomato sauce and that tomato base that we made.
Beautiful.
Absolutely a wonderful dish. Hey, if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. It only takes 2 minutes. It's free, and it really helps our channel out if you subscribe. Anyway, thanks for watching. We appreciate the subscribers, and we'll see you guys next video.
Thanks, guys. Take care.
All right, the Brooklyn Brothers are back, and today we're bringing you spaghetti alla Assassina. and today we're bringing you spaghetti alla Assassina, which means assassin spaghetti.